and Biring. Okay, look at the kids playground here at SMDC. How I wish na makaari mo diri with Papa, ha? So, i-tour ko kayo sa mismong SMDC playground. Ayan. Ang unit namin ni Inday Lu is nasa taas pa. Okay? Ayan. Then, ito ang kanyang swimming pool. One of the swimming pool here. I don't know yet if pwede ba to sa kids. But I think this little one is for the kids. Ayan, mababaw lang siya. Then, aside from that, meron pa tayo ditong, ayan, merong jogging path here. So, pwedeng magja-jogging ang mga adults here or teenagers. Ayan. Then, ito yung sinabi kong pool na iba. So, I don't know kung ilang square meters ang pool, pero 4 ang pool here. Then, it is surrounded by condo units. I love this lavender flower. Okay. Okay, how I wish you will be here, Horem, with Papa Lee and Biring. Thank you.